Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green, and welcome to day 22 of Waxvent.
Yes.
We're almost there.
Yes,
so
we're
close.
final couple of days now, we're nearly there.
Nearly there. So this is my patient to start with. You can see this looked like a really soft, kind of squishy plug to start with, but as soon as we've got the suction tube against the front, you can actually see the whole thing is like one big piece. So the difficulty we're going to have here is detaching it off the ear canal to start with and manoeuvring it around these little bends, because I think it's going to be like one continuous long plug here. This is the standard size Zollner tube we've got here. You can see we're slightly losing that grip. It's quite dry on the surface here. So we're getting a tiny grip, but not a full grip.
Yeah, it's hard because it's sloped surface, isn't it? So you've got to kind of alter the position of the Zollner tube to get on top of that.
Yeah, and we're just giving it a little bit of a wiggle here, just to try and almost like curve it around, like draw it around this bend. What that should do then is bring the tail with it as well.
That's a long plug, isn't it?
It's quite a big one. You can see there's a bit of dry skin kind of mixed into this as well. Oh, here we go.
There we are. How long is that? Oh, that was a chunky plug, wasn't it? Look at that
Quite
one.
a big piece. I think that was all in one. Yeah, it was all in
wow,
one big
look
piece.
at that.
And yeah, looking nice and squeaky clean behind. Looking great. And what we got is nearly a 2 centimetre plug there.
Yeah, thereabouts. Yeah. Inches, just under 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to go on that one. That was a long piece.
Quite a tricky one.
Yeah,
That,
was, yeah. So this is my patient. So I think we got 4 altogether. So I think we're alternating. So this one's mine. Very, very soft wax here at the entrance to the canal. So right at this very sort of front end of the ear canal here. Now this is just difficult old wax to get out this stuff. It's very thick, very sticky. Not ideal to use with the Zollner tube, this one, but it's coming away nicely so far.
Getting that little peel from the ear canal, which is nice. It's always nice to see.
It is. With this type of one, that's what you want to see, that lift off the ear canal.
Yeah.
Because a lot of the time, otherwise you're just taking this kind of almost like pea soup wax all the way down. But we've got this layer of keratin underneath there that I can just see coming through. So we're just going to try and lift onto that keratin, try and hold onto it and lift that keratin off the canal, sorry. So
draw it into the suction tube.
You got it. There we go, look at that. A little skin parcel coming down the ear canal there. Out that comes.
A little skin present.
Oh yes, keeping it festive. Yeah, we go, that's the way. Yes, we've got a skin present. Almost a sleigh being pulled down the canal there. Shoehorned that one in then, let's see. So what have we got now? Oh, we can see, yeah. Oh, this is quite interesting because that looked like really wet wax. We'll watch this now, right? It took me a bit by surprise, I got to be honest. I could see it was a thin kind of keratin layer here just dropping down into the anterior recess. But have a look at this when we get a grip. Watch this now, look at this.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Oh.
There wasn't, because it really looked like it was thin, sticky wax. It was all over the eardrum. And it was actually a layer of keratin that just completely covered the drum. Oh, there you go. Look at that.
Perfect.
That's lovely. Well, it's just, because I expected just to see, because sometimes when you see that soft wax, that little kind of circles, like, it was like a cookie cutter.
Cookie cut.
Also festive. Then you pop that in, you just get these little circles on there. But yeah, that's come away really well.
It's always really kind of like disheartening when you see that on the eardrum, when you've taken the big plug away and you see that kind of layer over the eardrum.
It is.
Like,
It is. But it looks nice and healthy there. Just this last little bit of keratin, I just want to drop over the top and pull that out. We got quite an interesting case for you on Christmas Day. It was a bit of an unusual foreign body one that we thought, and we both were involved in. Yeah. So it was a bit of an odd one, but we'll let you. Won't say any more. Won't spoil the surprise for Christmas Day.
But it's a foreign body.
It is, right. Apart from that bit of the surprise you spoiled, I won't tell you what it is. I think that was a 1/4 of an inch. I'm going to go 1/2 centimetre.
I didn't even see
I didn't even know. I didn't look at that one. So this is you, isn't it, this one?
Yep, this is me. You've got quite a small ear canal here. Not necessarily a narrow ear canal, but we've got a small channel This is the standard size on the tube here, and you can see we're almost completely filling up this ear canal already with the suction tube. Very kind of dry skin plugs in this one. This is a patient that comes back to us every 6 months, roughly every 6 months. And pretty much exactly the same story every time the patient comes in. Dry skin has just kind of built up at near the entrance, and that's kind of stopping any little bits of wax then that, you know, stopping it from migrating naturally by itself. Yeah. And there we go. So we've got a nice plug of wax inside that skin present, as we said earlier.
There you go. That's out clean as well. Look at that.
Yeah, obviously we haven't tidied up that little bit, the entrance there, because that, you know, you need a little bit in the ears. It's exactly the same story. It almost looks identical on this side. Very, very similar story here.
It's sort of wedged in that canal, like when Santa got stuck with the chimney.
Yeah. There you
go.
Exactly
I'm going to run out of these soon. I'm struggling with this now.
You're on fire today.
I'm doing my first cup of tea yet. Look at that. On it.
I've only had a sip of mine. I think that's my problem. Can't get my words up properly.
That's coming away really nicely, this one, by the looks of it, though, isn't it?
Yeah, just try and hold that grip.
The slow wiggle down the canal for this one.
Trying to keep it all in one piece. There we go. It's quite a small plug, you know, but enough to block the patient up and enough for the patient to feel a difference. Especially
with that sort of layer of keratin around the outside, because you find that sometimes you get a block of wax and you get that layer of keratin that really seals it then around the edges, doesn't it?
Yeah. So yeah, we are tidying this one up because it was a little bit more than what's kind of the normal amount. So we're just tidying up some of these little bits on the edge. I do sound a bit croaky today, guys. I'm sorry, and I probably will for the next few days. So you might have to bear with me. We're getting through it. It
is. We're trying to. This is actually our last day in work, so we're trying to edit all of the remaining videos for Waxvent in one go. So we're trying to get there. Nice
and healthy. Yeah,
really clear.
Healthy. There was no ruler shot on that one. I do apologise, guys. I was running behind the clinic, as I usually do. So I didn't have time to record the afters. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
It was definitely a really small amount. I promise.
So this is my patient. This is rock hard. This wax is like it's just absolutely solid. Lovely lady that came through. We were really struggling with her hearing and more the sensation of this in the ear as well. This the Rosen insert, and that was just a ping off the top. That is tough as old boots. There you go.
That's going to be a. I was just going to say that's going to be a St. Bart's job. That is.
It's St. Bart's just got that slightly wider end to it, so it just means you can just get a better grip. I'm trying to work it into that little hole there. There we go. Ooh. Here it comes. Is it all going to come out in one piece? I know because I did it, but it is. Look at that. Yeah, look at that coming away.
Perfect.
That is dry as a chip, isn't it? All that dry keratin underneath as well. Patient hearing so much better. Look at that.
Instantly.
Nice and clear. I can't remember this side though so much. I remember the first side. Oh, this one's, I think it's more sort of skin this side.
Possibly some oil gone in this one as well.
Very humid. Very, very humid canal, this one. Let's have a little look. Have we got a similar story on this side? I think this is kind of more blocks of wax on this one rather than it being one continuous piece. Lots of keratin again here, like wrapping around the entrance to that canal. Now don't forget, it's not unusual to get keratin in this outer part because the skin is migrating out all the time. And it's going to get to this outer part. Normally breaks away, but this is what's happening. It's drying out too much. All the wax is sitting behind it, but it's coming away nicely.
I think you were struggling to breathe in, wasn't it?
I was. Do you know what? I think, I don't know what was going on there. I was really struggling. So there we are. It's coming. Okay? Yeah, I'm okay now. Yeah, I'm good now. Thanks, Rhys. Thanks. As we collapse off, Taylor will just continue. It's fine. The show must go on, Taylor.
It's been a while since I've done the health and safety course. Not the health and safety,
the CPR course.
One centimetre. Jumping in there with the easy one.
Damn it. Quarter, just That's just over a quarter of an inch. I'm going to go out. I'm going to stress about it. It's Christmas, just over a quarter of an inch. That's what that is. Guys, we forgot to say, if you do have any problems with your ears, you can always check out the link tree in the description of all the social media channels, and you can book yourself appointments, come and see myself, or the amazing and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. A double drop, Nancy. Guys, if you do enjoy the videos, then please like, heart, share, follow, subscribe for us. That would be absolutely spot on. And we'll just see you for tomorrow, for day 23 of Waxvent. Can't remember what tomorrow is either. Don't know. It'll be a good one.
I wouldn't have a clue.
There we go. Bye, everyone.
Bye.